Bitcoin is trading at $66,500, and this is just a short-term update here on the lower time frame chart as I'm looking for a potential long entry that I want to share the thought process behind this. So you can see here I made this video a day or two ago where I was looking for the demand to hold. Now we're dropping below it, and I think the target could simply here be this previous low, because if we're looking on the Bitcoin liquidation map, it's already starting to eat through these various longs. And if we drop a little bit more to about 65.8, that's another 800 million. That would have been about 1.2 or 1.4 billion already. If it drops into that, it's going to liquidate the longs, and then look at the upside of the liquidation map. If we go back to 70, even 70,300 is already 2.2 billion in liquidations of shorts. So as you can see here, we're starting to drop. 65.8 is around about this level over here. So that would line up perfectly with taking these lows, and maybe this is the level that kind of holds over here. So it drops into that, it sweeps, and then I'd be looking for a long after it reclaims this blue line, targeting that 70,000. And that could, depending on how low it sweeps, it could be anywhere between a 1 to 4 and maybe even a 1 to 6 risk reward long setup. So I am looking for longs. You can also see here we still have a bullish divergence. As this is dropping, the RSI is not confirming it here on the 15-minute chart. So I would like to see more longs liquidated, which happens in about this zone over here, as I'm sharing with you there. And then I'm waiting for that drop and then a reclaim to be able to long it with a stop below the low. That is the idea behind it. The exact levels, I can't say ahead of time before it happens. We need to see how deep does that wick go, how low does it drop, does it look like it's creating a bottom, and that's something that I'll do in real time inside VIP Discord, of course. So if you're not yet a member, the link is in the description down below. Come and join us. And then I'm going to be looking for a long trade here back up to 70,000, because I do think that the shorts here are getting a free ride and are getting a little bit too cocky potentially, which means that a nice squeeze a lot higher is going to liquidate those shorts. If you need a place to trade, come and trade with me on Blofin exchange. Use the link in the description to make your account. It's completely free to sign up. You can get up to $5,000 in deposit bonuses. I personally trade there. I think it's a great place to trade. This is it from me today for the update. If you enjoy this, smash the like button, share it with a friend, and I'll see you tomorrow.